We're vlogging in Fleet Farm, aren't we?
Yep.
We're vlogging in Fleet Farm. Yeah, what are you looking for?
Money.
Okay, this is really weird. Vlogging in Fleet Farm, that's like the most retarded thing ever. Yeah, here we go. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Sitting there looking, but I don't know. It's here. Oh my god! I don't know what the hell my dad's doing over there. I don't even know what I'm doing in this store. I don't even know why I came in. I don't. It's like the weirdest store ever.
Oh, my dad's actually looking here for bullets. Man, are they expensive. You guys ever have you guys ever bought in bullets before? They're like, look at the prices of these. Look at that. $19 for just a little thing like this. I don't understand why they're so damn expensive. Let's see where we're going.
More vlogging in Fleet Farm. More vlogging in Fleet Farm. What are you looking for? I don't know. I'm getting too bored in here. You guys getting bored watching this probably. You guys are probably getting real bored watching this. This is the most pointless vlog I've ever done. In a store that I really don't like, to be honest with you. But yeah. So, no, I don't want any. We're finally getting out of here. Right, Dad? We're finally getting out of this place. Fleet Farm dog. What? Well, you know what? Who cares about beef jerky right now? It's summertime. Check it out.
Is that beef jerky?
But at Gander Mountain, some stuff.
Yeah.
$13.99.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever.
You gotta be careful.
Okay, we're out of Fleet Farm finally, thank God, because I was about to just pass out in there. Yeah. It's a nice day out. Fleet Farm. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this pointless vlog.